Hey there, busy bees. Ever feel like you're drowning in to-dos? Yeah, me too. That's why I got an AI sidekick. They're like having a personal assistant, but way cheaper, and less likely to steal your stapler. This little digital buddy can help you conquer your schedule, wrangle your emails, and even order you a pizza. Think of it as a brain extension, but without the surgery. These AI sidekicks are all the rage right now, and for good reason. They take all the tedious stuff off your plate, freeing you up for the important and fun things in life. Imagine, no more frantically searching for your keys while simultaneously trying to get the dog to stop eating the couch. Sounds pretty good, right? Now, you might be thinking, John, this all sounds great, but I'm about as tech-savvy as a potato. I could never figure this out. Well, hold your horses, because I'm about to blow your mind. Creating your own AI sidekick is easier than you think. No, seriously, it's like ordering takeout, but instead of getting a burrito, you get a digital assistant. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive into the wonderful world of AI sidekicks. Get ready to say goodbye to chaos and hello to a life of organized bliss. Let's face it, folks, time is a slippery beast. One minute you're sipping your morning coffee, the next you're wondering where the day went and why your socks don't match. We've all been there. Life gets hectic, work piles up, the kids need to be driven to a million different places, and suddenly you're knee-deep in emails, deadlines, and the crushing realization that you haven't eaten a vegetable in 3 days. It's enough to make anyone want to crawl under their desk and hide. But wait, before you embrace the sweet release of desk-induced slumber, let me introduce you to a better way, a way to reclaim your time and restore order to your chaotic existence. That's right, I'm talking about the magic of AI sidekicks. These digital dynamos are like time management ninjas, slicing and dicing your to-do list with ease. They can schedule appointments, send reminders, and even help you prioritize tasks. Think of them as your very own personal assistant, minus the awkward office small talk. Now, before you start sweating about having to learn some complicated coding language, I'm looking at you, Python. Relax. Building your own AI sidekick is surprisingly simple. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a computer science major. If you can operate a smartphone, you can handle this. Think of it like building a Lego set. You've got all these pre-made blocks, or in this case features, ready to go. All you have to do is put them together in a way that makes sense for you. There are tons of platforms out there that let you create an AI sidekick without writing a single line of code. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more efficiency. These platforms offer intuitive interfaces and drag-and-drop functionality, making the whole process a breeze. You can customize your sidekick to your heart's content, adding or removing features as needed. It's like having your own personal AI factory, but without the smoke and the questionable labor practices. Section 4, Building Your Sidekick, a step-by-step guide. Okay, ready to build your own digital assistant? Here's the game plan. First, you need to pick a platform. There are a bunch of good ones out there, but for this example, let's go with Super Helpful AI Assistant Pro. Not a real thing, but it should be. They've got a free trial so you can test the waters before diving in. Once you're all signed up, it's time to start building. This is where the fun begins. You get to choose what your AI sidekick can do. Want it to manage your calendar like a boss? Done. Need help remembering birthdays so you don't end up in the doghouse? No problem. You can even teach it to order your favorite takeout on Friday nights, because everyone deserves a break. Most platforms use something called natural language processing. That's a fancy way of saying your AI buddy can understand you even if you talk like you've had one too many coffees. We've all been there. You can tell it what you need and it'll make it happen. Section 5. Living the AI-assisted life. Congratulations, my friend, you've done it. You've built your very own AI sidekick. Now sit back, relax, and let your digital assistant work its magic. Need to schedule a meeting? Just tell your AI buddy. Want to find that important document you saved last week? The sidekick will sniff it out faster than a bloodhound on a scent. Life just got a whole lot easier, didn't it? No more missed deadlines, forgotten appointments, or frantic scrambles for your phone. Your AI sidekick has got your back. It's like having a personal assistant, a time management guru, and a really organized friend all rolled into one. So, what are you waiting for? Go forth and embrace the AI revolution. Your future self and your sanity will thank you for it.